Hello there. This video will cover Appstle's Quick Actions feature. Quick Actions allow your customers to perform a series of predefined actions in one click. Note that it is a requirement that these links be sent over email. They will work for either our proprietary Appstle customer emails or emails through our Klaviyo integration. Click on More in your Appstle dashboard, then click on the Quick Actions section to be taken to the page shown here. Then click this drop-down menu to be shown a list of the different quick actions offered. You can stack as many of these different functionalities as you'd like for your quick action link. The final link in this field will log the customer into their customer portal using Appstle's Magic Link login token. Afterwards, a series of actions will take place automatically depending on your selection above. We will briefly cover what the different quick action links do, and then afterwards, use one of these options to demonstrate how quick actions work, both from the merchant's end as well as the customer's end. Activate, cancel, and pause subscription allows customers to change the status of their current subscriptions to the respective statuses. Add product allows customers to add a product or products of your choosing directly into their subscriptions. Click this link to be shown a pop-up where you can select your products. Apply discount allows customers to add a discount code to their subscription, which you can input into the new field that displays. This code can be created either from the discount section in Shopify or from Appstle itself from within the merchant portal, which we also have a video dedicated to should you require more information. Order now, skip order, and reschedule order will all affect the next upcoming order in a customer's subscription in the described ways. Now for the example quick action, I will opt for the Activate Subscription quick action, which will provide me with an appropriate link in the quick action URL field here. This link, however, needs some modifications to be able to properly function with emails. First, replace token in angle brackets here with customer.token inside of double curly braces. Then replace subscription_ID in angle brackets with subscription contract ID written exactly in this manner inside of double curly braces. The link is now ready, so come to an Appstle email template in the email section of Customer Experience and choose an email template that makes sense with this link's functionality, which for this one, we will pair with subscription canceled. Embed this link with an HTML anchor tag, name it, then hit Update in the upper right-hand corner. The idea is that when a customer receives the email that they have canceled their subscription, the quick action link embedded in it will allow them to resume it if they wish to do so later on with just one click. You can also choose to deliver emails through Klaviyo using our integration. For more information on this, please reference our dedicated tutorial video on the integration. To deliver emails, you will need to create a flow. After naming it, go to Your Metrics and click on API to reveal Appstle's trigger events. These will only be displayed when our Klaviyo integration has been enabled. We will select the same subscription canceled event as we did inside Appstle. Drag the email action onto the timeline after the trigger and select the email template you wish to use, either a custom template you have in Klaviyo or Appstle's own dynamic email template inside Save Templates. Now come back to the quick action link in the Appstle email and write event dot in front of both customer.token and subscription contract ID. Now save the template. I have pre-sent this email to myself. The quick action link we have embedded is here, and if I click on it, I will be redirected to my customer portal where my canceled subscription will be automatically reactivated. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, feel free to let us know. Thank you, and have a nice day.